the mode. So learners, I want us to revise together one last question here. I will read it. The mean of numbers 2, 3, x. This is question 3. Let me write it. The mean of numbers 2, 3, x, 4, x, 6, 7, and 8 is 5. Question: find A, the value of x, B, find the mode. So learners, in this question we are required to find the mode, and from our last lesson we were revising the mean. In this question we have combined an element of the mean so that we can calculate the mode. So let us have the answer. The mean of numbers is 2, 3. The mean of numbers 2, 3, x, 4, x, 6, 7 is 5. So the mean has been provided, and we know that the mean of numbers or values is equal to the sum of quantities, divided by number of items. Learners, part A, we are required to find x, the value of x. Within this data there is a value that is unknown, which is x, but we have the mean. This is the formula of the mean. So we'll come here and substitute the values in this formula. The mean is 5, so we write here 5. Then the sum of quantities, we'll add the quantities, 2 plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus x, this x, plus x, this x, plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are 9 items. So we divide by 9. This is number of items. Divide by 9. So with this we can solve for x. When you have this one, we can solve for x. So let us solve for x, and in solving for x we first put together the like terms, collect the like terms. So we collect 2 plus this 3 plus this 4 plus this 6 plus this 7 plus 8. Then we have the x's, x plus x plus x. We divide this by 9. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 22 plus 8 will give us 30. So 5 is equal to 30 plus x plus x plus x is equal to 3x divided by 9. Now to solve for x, learners, we will do what we call cross multiply. We are going to cross multiply. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. So we cross multiply and multiply 5 by 9. Then we multiply 1 by 30 plus 3x. So 30 plus 3x times 1 is equal to 30 plus 3x, which is equal to 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Then we will subtract 30 on both sides. 30 on both sides of the equal sign. 30 minus 3x is equal to 45 minus 30. So 30 minus 30, this is plus, 30 is plus here. 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So we are left here with 3x is equal to 15. So we divide 3 on both sides. Divide here by 3, divide by 3. 3 cancels out with this 3. 3 goes here once, 3 goes here 5 times. So x will be equal to 5. So the value of x is 5. Find the value of x. So the value of x there is 5. Then part B, find the mode. The mode. Find the mode. Let me rub here and get the mode. Get the mode. Find the mode. To find the mode, B, find the mode. We get the values first. We've seen x is equal to 5. So where there is x, we substitute with 5. So the first item there is 2, 3, then 5, 4, 5. I'm substituting x for 5 for x, substituting 5 for x. So we have 2, 3, 5x, 4, 5, then 5 again, and then there is 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the values. To get the mode, we have to do frequency table, and we'll have here number, because these are just numbers, the mean of numbers. So we have numbers, then there is tally, and number of times. So numbers, we can arrange them in descending or ascending order. We can start with 2, these 2, there is 3, this 3, there is 4, this 4, there is 5, this 5, there is 6, this 6, we have 7, this 7, we have 8, 8. Then we tally. 2 appears how many times? 2 appears once. Okay. 3 appears how many times? 3 appears once. 5 appears how many times? 1, 2, 3. 5 appears 1, 2, 3. 4 appears how many times? 4 appears once. So we have once. 6 appears once. We tally here once. 7 appears once. We tally once. 8 appears once. We tally once. So we can now get the number of times. This is just 1. We write 1. This is 1. We write 1. It's 1. We write 1. It's 3. We write 3. 1. We write 1. 1. 1. Okay. So number of times. This should give us 9. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. 9 items. So what was the question? Find the mode. Find the mode. So learners, what is the mode? The mode is 5. Why? because 5 appears most of the times. Okay, it appears more times than any other number. So the mode is 5. Answer here, the mode is 5. This 5 here is the mode. So with that, learners, we will come to a close. And before we close the lesson, let me give you exercise. Today we are exercising on mode. We have done 3 questions. So it's your turn to go and practice. Go and practice mode exercise. Go to exercise 119 and do question. Go and do question 3. Because you have done question 1, you have done question 2. Go and do question 3, question 4, and question 5. And question 5. Go and revise on mode. The mode. Make sure the exercise is done.